Okay, disclaimer, there is so much yard work going on. You can't even hear yourself think. I know it's a beautiful, gorgeous day, but people is trying to film YouTube videos here. Anyways, what's up, my heart attacks? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jaclyn, aka JacAttack5678. And if you guys are new, welcome to my world. I'm going to brainwash you into subscribing to my channel and doing things outside of your comfort zone and making professional themes and being more confident with yourself. No, but really, like, most of that stuff is true. Let me tell you guys, I got some really good stuff on my dance menu in my description box. I've got consultations, general consultations going on, but I've also added some dance combos, talking about freestyle, KickLine, dance combinations, I already said that. Anyways, everything will be linked down below, so if you guys want to check any of those out. So I'm going to show you guys my go-to makeups, my favorites, and my holy grails. All right, so let's see. I don't really know where to start. I love this pencil. This is by far the best pencil that I have ever tried. Drugstore by Maybelline. It is called the Brow Ultra Slim. It is beautiful and it is cheap. This is high quality with the low price, okay? The reason why I like this is because it is so darn thin and it is so precise, okay? Like, you can really manipulate any little tiny hairs for your brows, and it's also got the nice brush, and it's really thin. This color is in black brown. My hair is not black, but it's also not brown, so it's kind of like in that black brown grayish area. Gray, because my hair is not gray.
No.
My favorite liquid lipstick, if I had to forsake all lipsticks, this would be my favorite liquid lip. Meet Matte Hues, The Bomb Cosmetics, and Committed. I don't even have to look at the bottle to know what the name is because I have bought it so many times, and it's the lipstick that I'm wearing today. Okay, I mixed it with another one, but I can show you guys. I mean, and it smells phenomenal. It smells very like minty. The Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Yeah. But that's not what's in this bottle. I know it might say Urban Decay All Nighter, and I do love that product. What's in this bottle is Ben 9 Final Seal Spray. And I don't have the bottle to show you guys because I basically had to repurpose this bottle. So I used the liquid Ben 9 and I poured it into this bottle. Milk Makeup. This is Amaze Balls. Okay, I don't have it on my face right now because I totally forgot to use it in this makeup tutorial, but I'm gonna show you right now. It just clogs up all your pores and it makes you have like no pores. Legit, this is the best. And I don't know what it is about the mini one, but the mini one works so much better than the full size one. Drugstore concealer, I would have to say I fancy the Age Rewind. If I'm running out of concealer, I may know this isn't my go-to for my under eye, but for my brows, yes, honey, yes. And I used to use this one for under my eyes, but I just found that it creased a lot. But for around my brows, like, this puppy don't move. I don't know what it is, but it just loves to hug my brows. Why am I yelling? Okay, I guess I don't have one on hand and it's hard times right now, so I haven't gotten any. The Hypnosis Drama Lancome Mascara is the best mascara you will ever find in your life. The wand is so curvaceous, it's voluminous, it's plumptuous, and I get no flake from that mascara, okay? I love that mascara. I have used that mascara for years and years and years through all of my pro seasons. For my highlighter, I cannot go without my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe. Y'all know this. I'm also wearing it on my cheek today. I'm also wearing it on my chest a little bit. It's got this like gold, but then it like the gold disappears and then it just becomes like this like glitter fest. Makeup Forever Translucent Powder is not going to fail you, my girl. It just like, it holds all my makeup intact. Like, I sweat in my forehead like a lot, even when I'm just like chilling, right? And my face knows I have makeup on. It starts to produce all this oil and all this grease and all this like sweat, and I'm just like, why? But when I use Makeup Forever, this powder, it just like helps to really absorb all that. I love this product so much and I wear it every single time I wear makeup. Even when I'm doing something like super natural like that no makeup look. This is Pixie by Petra, the Brightening Peach. This is how much I love this product. is pretty much gone. I'm saving that for like a rainy day, okay? Because they sell it in Target, and Target is not open right now. So I wear under everything, on all of my manchitas, on all of my blemishes, imperfections. This really comes through in clutch, and it's so creamy and melts on my skin, and it really looks natural once I put my concealer on everything. In the box, on my face. I love these lashes when they're like very like wispy, like really separated, look really natural. Like these are the lashes that I prefer personally to use. These are the Naked Lashes Blend Seamlessly with Invisiband number 424 Ardell. Yes, these are the lashes that I prefer to use. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. It smells delicious, and I love how natural it looks. Along with my Bahama Mama. I bought this like forever and a day ago, and look how much product I still have. I haven't even hit pan. I haven't even come close to hitting pan, and I have done some performances in this, baby, okay? Lip liners. I lost my cap to this one, but lip liners, NYX has got it going on. Like, don't underestimate that brand. I'm wearing it today, but these lip liners, I love them. These palettes, I love. These are like $12, and you get, I don't know how many eyeshadows is this, 12? These palettes have minimal fallout, and the color payoff is so amazing. Like, they're so opaque. Like, you will not regret it if you get one of these palettes. Michelle Phan, where you at, girl? Because that eyeliner you created is bomb. This is the best. Seriously, look at this high point. It is on flickety flick. It is so pointy, it is so precise, and it's so black, and it's just, it lasts such a long time. I've had this one for quite some time, and it's still very wet. M Cosmetics is where it's at, okay? M Cosmetics. Don't sleep on Michelle Phan, y'all. Every time I try a new foundation, I just keep coming back to my Holy Grail. And it's got such a natural like satin finish to it. It's not so matte. And I just keep coming back to it. Like, no matter what foundation I use, I just keep coming back to it, and I love it. The color, mwah, it is just fabuloso. If you don't have a beauty blender and you have like a knockoff of something from like Walmart, you need to get your $6 back and invest in this $20 brush. It lasts such a long time, and if you like are diligent with it, like cleaning it and everything, it will last you even longer. It's so soft, and it really just blends all of your makeup in. Primers. This one is the one that I use the most, just because it's got like that skincare along with like that makeup kind of vibe, marriage thing going on to conceal a lot of your pores while also helping your skin as well, which is why I love it. Dr. Brandt is more of a skincare line, but they do have this a little bit of makeup here and there. Too Faced Peach Cool Mattifying Primer is legit. It will keep you matte all day, girl, to meet all of your mattifying needs. If you're somebody who just loves to be matte, this is definitely the primer to go. Supergoop Defense Refresh Sunscreen Spray. If you're somebody who doesn't wear sunscreen, use this as a setting spray, and it'll help you protect your skin. I really like it because I am an SPF freak. If you guys have watched any of my skincare videos, I will link those down below or up here somewhere, and you guys can go check those out. But I am just obsessed with skincare. I am more obsessed with skincare than I am with makeup. Please let me know down below like what products are working for y'all and what products that you just cannot live without, because I'm very interested. I'm curious just to see if we have some things in common or if I've tried them or not. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will check you in my next video. Bye! There's no one better, there's no one greater. What's poppin', everybody? What's poppin'? This is like impossible.